Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is pilot Qazi Arslan and welcome to my channel. Today I am flying a helicopter in Switzerland over the beautiful capital city Bern and the Belp area. This flight is very special for me because flying over Switzerland is always a unique experience. The views, the mountains, the green fields and the calm environment make this place truly magical. Usually in Switzerland, if you want to fly a helicopter, you must book it 4 to 5 months in advance. The process is strict, professional and very well organized, but Alhamdulillah, when I showed my pilot license and all required documents, everything was checked very carefully and professionally. They reviewed my flying experience, my license validity and all safety requirements. Within 24 hours they connected their head office, verified all my details and approved my request to fly. On the same day they gave me full permission and provided. This was a very special moment for me and I truly felt grateful for this opportunity. Flying there is truly enjoyable. The airspace is well managed, communication is very clear and safety standards are extremely high. The beauty of Switzerland is something everyone should see at least once in their life, whether you are driving or walking. This country always leaves a strong impression. I highly recommended visiting and exploring Switzerland, especially if you love nature, mountains and peaceful views. The helicopter I am flying today is the Bell 505. It is a 5-seater helicopter powered by a turbine engine. This helicopter is known for its smooth performance, strong stability, excellent control. It is very comfortable to fly, very responsive and perfect for scenic flights like this. I truly enjoyed every moment of flying it. I have flown in many countries around the world in different environments and conditions. This flying experience is part of the Qazi Brothers' rich flying history. Qazi Brothers have a long and proud connection with aviation, with flying experience across multiple countries, different aircraft types and many challenging environments. This journey is built on patience, discipline and dedications to aviation, but the beauty that Allah has given to Switzerland is very special and truly unique. Only a few countries in the world have this level of natural beauty, clean environment and peaceful atmosphere. You are watching Qazi Brothers Official. If you are enjoying this video, please like it, share it with others and stay connected with our channel for more flying and travel videos. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.